Okay, quick video on this 100 litre compressor. It's 14 CFM, 3 horsepower. Get a lot of people asking if their compressor is suitable for sandblasting, especially soda blasting, where people want to remove paint off kitchens and doors and furniture, and they tend to think that their compressor is big enough, and it might be a 50 litre or even one of these 100 litres. And we try to explain to them that the CFM, because they're low CFM, they're running out of air quick and the motor's trying to catch up. So if the motor's constantly running, you risk burning your motor out. So when it comes to blasting, it's always bigger the better, but that kind of takes the fun out of the game because compressors are not cheap. So I thought I'd just do this one with this 100 litre compressor just to show. I've got it set at 100 psi there, look. Got it all charged up now. And over here, apart from my geese and ducks, I've got this little Soda 7. I've been blasting this. This is a 1950s piece of a kitchen, a sample a lady sent. So that's well baked on, that is. That's taken me about 17 minutes so far to do that with this Soda 7 using that 100 litre compressor. So obviously with these little Soda 7s, they've only got small nozzles. So yeah, you know, if you have a pressurized pot, a different sandblaster with a bigger nozzle, then the air is going to run out a lot quicker. So what I found with this one, I've got this one set right up now because it does drop. That's about 90 odd psi. Within just less than a minute, that compressor will kick in. The motor will start kicking in to try and keep up with me for what air I'm using. So the last thing you want is your motor to be running constant, because you don't want to burn the motor out. Compressors are not cheap, and to do that, no. So anyway, I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to carry on blasting this bit, and oh, hang on, here we go. Choose the camera work. Here we go. It's been moving that nicely at the moment. But what will happen, as the air runs out, compressor drops. And then the pressure on the pot drops. There you are. That's just fired in, look. How long did that take? Less than a minute. So it's good, it's still blasting. But you can see it's going to get slower. I hope you can hear me over all this noise. Alright, anyway, taking that paint off nicely. Still good pressure coming out. Let's pause just a second. So there you go, I've finished that piece there. Just going to show you now. I've left the tap open for blasting. Now this has dropped down to 60 psi on the pot. And as you can hear, the compressor motor is still working hard to try and keep up. Let's see what that's dropped to. Not too bad. So if you're going to be doing a big job, you don't want that motor running all day long. You'll just burn it out. And it'll be a slow process of blasting. And that's it, I think I've covered that. So that's dropped down to 60 and it's just sitting there, look. Turn that off. Now I've turned the air off, the compressor can fill back up. So that's it, that's a demo on the 100 litre compressor using the Mattis Soda 7 Soda Blaster. I hope this helps. Thanks very much. If you need any information, more information, you could drop me an email at info@sandblasters.co.uk or visit our website, which is www.sandblasters.co.uk. Have a good day and stay safe.